Is Google Chrome draining your laptop battery faster than it should? If you've noticed your battery percentage dropping quickly while browsing, there's a built-in Chrome setting that can help extend battery life. Let me show you how to enable it. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Performance. Now scroll down until you find the Energy Saver option. If it's currently turned off, go ahead and enable it. When Energy Saver is active, Chrome reduces background activity and limits certain visual effects that can consume extra power. This helps your laptop run longer on a single charge, especially when you're browsing for extended periods. You'll also see two options for when Energy Saver should turn on. You can choose to enable it only when your battery reaches 20% or lower, or you can have it activate whenever your laptop is unplugged from the charger. If battery life is your top priority, selecting the option to turn it on whenever the computer is unplugged is usually the better choice. Keep in mind that some animations, background tasks, and video performance may be slightly reduced while Energy Saver is running. However, for most users, the extra battery life is well worth it. A quick setting change that can help Chrome use less power and keep your laptop running longer throughout the day.